So the trigonometric ratios we can easily remember by using a right angle triangle. So I taken a right angle triangle, right angle at B and angle at C. So let us imagine as like this is 1 and it is 2, this is 3. Now by using this triangle, how many ratios I can able to write? So one ratio 1 by 3. So that when I will write 1 by 3. Next ratio 2 by 3 I can write. 2 divided by 3. Next 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 I will write. Now I reciprocate the ratios. So 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1. 3 by 1 and 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1. Now I will represent these ratios with trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios we have now? So sine first. So 1 by 3 means sine I will indicate. What is 1 by 3? If this is theta, 1 is called opposite side and 3 is called hypotenuse. So that means sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So next I will replace as 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is called adjacent side and 3 is hypotenuse. So we can represent as cos theta. And the last in the 3 ratios, so 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means opposite side by adjacent side. That I can replace as tan theta. Now observe these all 3 ratios are reciprocal. Sin reciprocal is called as cosecant. So I can replace as cosecant theta. And cos reciprocal is secant theta. So secant theta. Tan reciprocal is cot theta. So very simple, right? So we can also remember these logics with a small hint, that is SOH CAH TOA. SOHCAHTOA. But while remembering, it's very simple logic to identify all the ratios to remember in long time. So S means sine, the starting left of sine. O means opposite side, starting left of opposite. H means starting letter of hypotenuse. So sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Similarly, CAH. C means cos, A means adjacent side, H means hypotenuse, T means tan, O means opposite, A means adjacent side. If you remember like SOHCAHTOA relation, so nothing to by heart the formulas like sine is opposite side by hypotenuse and all, nothing. So very simple. S means sine, remember. Now how can I remember these reciprocals? Very simple. Sine is reciprocal to cosecant. So sine reciprocal opposite by hypotenuse, but cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite side. So reverse. So then we can write this reverse means HO. Cos reciprocal is secant. So write as HA. Cot, tan is reciprocal of cot. So AO we write. It's very pretty simple, right? So we need to learn about angles. So angle definition will look. So the angle is the space between the two intersecting lines. So especially in trigonometry, if it is angle rotated in anti-clockwise direction, we will say it is positive. Suppose the angle being measured in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means like this. If it is rotated in clockwise direction, we will take the angle in negative direction. So in simple, we know measurement systems. So in MKS system, CGS system like. So we want to find a weight. So we will find in kgs. If we want to measure in a distance means we will find in kilometers, meters. There are many systems to find this such a cases. Similarly, is there any cases like finding angle? Yes, of course. So some systems are there. The first system is sexagesimal system. Second system is centesimal system, and the third one is radian system. So mostly we will follow sexagesimal system and radian system. So we are aware of the sexagesimal system from childhood onwards, but we will not use the word as sexagesimal system. So normally we will find like 30 degrees as the angle, or 40 degrees or 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees, we will say pronouncing. These pronouncing degrees concept will come from a sexagesimal system. And the system, the angle is measured with the grades. And the last system is radian system. So in radian system, the angle is measured with pi radians, so indicate with pi c, and the before hexadecimal system will represent as degrees, we'll say like 30 degrees. So here it is, here say that 100 grades, so in this pi radians. So there is a relation between these three all systems. So I can convert the hexadecimal into centesimal, centesimal into radians, or radians into hexadecimal, and all the relations. So how to convert these all relations? So there is a formula, so we can follow degree. Degree means hexadecimal system. Degrees by 90 is equal to grades by 100 is equal to 2c by pi, where c indicates the radians and g indicates grades and d indicates degree systems. So by these we can convert the one system measurement into another system. So look into some examples, we will get the clarity. So how to convert from one system to another system. So look into an example, convert 30 degrees into radians. So how we can convert? By using the relation between degrees, grades and radians. So we want degrees conversion in radians. So these both we have to equate. So condition is degrees by 90 is equal to 2c by pi value. So pi is a constant, we should not replace anything, as 22 by 7. So we should not use that word. So degree is given 30 degrees, I will replace 30 divided by 90 is equal to 2c by pi. Here we are finding the c value as a radians. So 0 0 cancel, 3 table cancel 3 times. So we can cross multiply the pi value, and 2 value also we can cross multiply. So 2c is equal to pi by 3 will come, and we required c alone. So there c is equal to pi by 6. So 30 degrees in the radian system will be pi by 6. Similarly, I want to convert that radians into degree system as well. So how to do this conversion? Same relation. So degrees by 90 is equal to given radians. Radians is pi by 6. So pi by 6 where I have to use? Here or here? So c value is pi by 6. So 2 into pi by 6 divided by pi. So this pi cancel, and the 2 table cancel 3 times. So 3 is in denominator. So degree by 90 is equal to 1 by 3. So this 3 table again cancel in 90 is 30 times. So by cross multiplication t is equal to 30. I hope you are clear about this conversion. So we will look into some more examples to get the better clarity. So now look into this example, convert 90 degrees into grade system. So now we have to use the relation degrees by 90 is equal to grades by 100. So I can replace degree as 90. So then it will becomes 90 degrees by 90 is equal to grades by 100. This 90 will be cancelled. So grades by cross multiplication, grades is equal to 100 grades. So the relation 100 grades is equal to 90 degrees. Otherwise 90 degrees is equal to 100 grades.